Hi students, welcome in chemistry classes and we are studying statistical thermodynamics. In our previous lecture we have studied how to find out the contribution of the partition function to the different thermodynamic properties. Okay, now we have to do some problems. How to solve these problems? This is quite easy if you know the problems and if you know the differentiation and integration. For this you should know differentiation. Okay, so if you know, you can do such type of questions quite easily, and for the simpler form of the differentiation and integration you can watch our video of the differentiation and integration. Okay, so we come to our point. See here, the first question from the csir-net June 2019 recent question papers question. Okay, see, this is quite simple. The difference between standard molar entropies of two monoatomic gases A and B, it means we have to find out this SMA at a standard point minus SMB, okay, at a given temperature, and we have given that the molar mass of A is twice the molar mass of B, right? Okay, so see here, what is the formula for the molar translational entropy? We have seen what is the formula. This is equal to R 3 by 2 ln m plus 5 by 2 ln t minus ln p plus 20.72. What is this? This is the second tetrode equation. We have seen it in the previous lecture. Okay, so when we have to compare this SMA minus SMB, molar entropies between for the two gases, okay, we have to compare this one. Now you can understand here that it is directly proportional to the logarithm of the mass, okay, and for the two different gases the mass will be different, and here we have given that this SMA is twice as compared to SMB, okay. While this all things, temperature, pressure will remain same for both of them, okay. So when we are subtracting in this manner, this will be same, this will be same, and this is same, okay. So this all will cancel out, and what will we have? We will have this one, R 3 by 2 ln MA minus 3 by 2 ln MB, okay. And we know that the logarithm can also be written in this manner. This can also be written in this manner, MA upon MB, right? And what thing we have given? We have given that MA upon MB is equal to 2. It means the molar mass of A is twice as compared to molar mass of B. So we have given this thing, right? This is given to us, okay. So we can put here. Okay, we can write it in this manner, 3 by 2 R ln 2, okay. This is our answer. Now you can match it in our options. See here, option number 1, 3 by 2 R ln 2. This will be the right answer. Okay, now see this question from csir-net June 2015. The single particle partition function f for a certain system has the form f is equal to AV exponent of beta t. The average energy per particle will be, we have given 4 different options and we have to find out the average energy for one particle, and we have given this is the partition function, okay. So we have to put this value of the partition function, and what is the formula for the internal energy? U is equal to n kT square d natural log of q divided by dt at constant volume, right? Now we have given single particle partition function, it means for one particle. So this value of n will be equal to 1, so we can neglect it, okay. This will be equal to 1, right? So this is now our formula for one particle. Okay, now firstly we have to find out this value d ln q divided by dt. For this, see here, we have to take the logarithm of q, and what is the value of q? Q means partition function, and we have given this is the value of q, AV exponent of beta t, okay. So we have to take its logarithm, right? And when we are taking it, this will be equal to logarithm of AV plus this will be equal to beta t, right? Now we have to differentiate it with respect to temperature. It means d of logarithm of q divided by dt will be equal to d by dt of this thing. Okay, so in this manner. Now see here, this a and v will be constant because we are differentiating with respect to temperature. Okay, so this term will be constant and its value will be equal to 0. Now see its differentiation, d by dt of beta t, d by dt of beta t. Here beta is constant, so it will come outside, and differentiation of t with respect to t will be equal to 1. So this value comes equal to beta, right? So just we have to put this value in this formula. So what we are getting now, value of u will be equal to kt square times beta. Okay, so we are getting beta kt square. Okay, so this will be our answer. Now match it here, option number 2 is the right answer. Okay, now see this very simple question from GATE 2015. For an ideal gas with molar mass m, the molar translational entropy at a given temperature is proportional to. Very straightforward question is asked here. Okay, we have already seen the Sacred-Tetrode equation in our previous question, and we know that this molar translational entropy is equal to R 3 by 2 natural log of m plus 5 by 2 natural log of t minus natural log of p plus 20.72. Okay, so from here we can say that this molar translational entropy is directly proportional to natural log of mass. Okay, this one. So see here, option number D is the right answer. Okay, see now this question from GATE 2012's question paper. The question is the molecular partition function of a system is given by, we have given this is the partition function. Okay, and we have to find out here the heat capacity at constant volume. It means we have to find out this one, Cv. Okay, and we know what is this, this is equal to del U upon del T at constant volume. Okay, this thing we have to find out. For this we should know the internal energy. Okay, and I have already told you what is its formula, n kT square d ln q upon dt at constant volume, right? Now for finding out the value of u, we have to firstly find out this value d ln q upon dt. Okay, for this we have to take the logarithm of this partition function, right? So take it, logarithm of this partition function of whole this we have to take the logarithm. Now we have to separate the variable terms. It means we have to differentiate with respect to temperature, so we have to separate this temperature term. Okay, so when we are taking its logarithm, this will come here in this way, right? And we can write in this way, kb upon sc, right? And then separate this term 3 by 2 of natural log of t plus this term 3 by 2 natural log of 8 pi square m kb divided by h square. We have separated the constant terms. Okay, and then temperature term 3 by 2 natural log of t. I am writing here this is the constant and this is not. Why? Because we have to differentiate with respect to temperature, so temperature will be a variable. Okay, so now see here, we are differentiating with respect to temperature in this manner, right? So when we are differentiating with respect to temperature, this term is constant, right? So its value will be equal to 0. This is our variable, this will also be equal to 0. Okay, this is 3 by 2 logarithm of t, this is 3 by 2 logarithm of t. When we are sum of them, we are getting 3 natural log of t, so we have to differentiate it. Okay, so this will be equal to 3 into logarithm of t, its differentiation will be equal to 1 by t. So this is our this value. Okay, 3 by t. Now we have to substitute this value in this equation. So we are getting u is equal to n kT square into 3 by t. So it will be equal to 3 n kT. Okay, now we have to find out the Cv value, heat capacity at constant volume. Okay, so Cv will be equal to d by dt of this term, okay, u. Now see here, this term is a constant term, so its differentiation will not occur, okay, only we have to differentiate this. So d by dt of t will be equal to 1, so this is our value of Cv, right. Now we know that Nk is equal to R, so we can write it 3R, right. So this is our answer that we have to find out. Now you can match it, this option number 1, this is the right answer. So in this way, if you know the differentiation, then you can do, and if you know the formulas, then you can do such type of 4-mark questions very easily, okay. So for differentiation, you can watch our video of the differentiation and integration. I have given you very simple terms, okay. So watch that video and do these questions yourselves. Thank you.